Other things I use my tomatoes for, as you can see, here's the Aleppo pepper right here, is I put about 20 to 25 cherry tomatoes, a couple of bay leaves. I had some that were dry already. I do have a bay tree. And mashed 3 cloves of garlic. And I just let it simmer, let it reduce. Then I strain it out, and I use that sauce to season other type of dishes. So this is a great sauce, especially if you add a little bit of salt. And I like to add a little bit of honey too, not too much honey. But I don't like adding salt to sauces in case somebody wants to add it or doesn't like salt too much in their food. So they could always add it later. This is a great way to preserve food. See ya.